Alright friends, we're installing our LED light in the footwell of the driver's side. So normally it's right here, and I have this security thing installed right here as well. So the light's actually hanging down. They didn't put it back in there, so I'm just going to pull this one out just like that. Put in our LED just like this. Just like that, and then we're going to have a poke through up here. Bring that one around. Out of the way, these other wires. And that pokes through right up at the top here. Bright little guy. Okay, should go through here and then turn it once it's in there. It should be pushing forward, and then just turn it a little bit and it should stick in there. Just like that. Oh, thought I had it. So bright, it's hard to see anything, so I'll try to get my other flashlight in here. Try to rotate this so it fits in correctly. Oh goodness. Oh, the guy's so bright. Alright, so try to figure this out here. Should go in just like this and then turn it. That's what I'm gonna try that. Alright, so there we go. Just push through and turn a little bit. And there you go. That is the final light for this one, real quick. So, let's see. Kind of hard to see that light. Guess it's right up there. It's kind of bright when you're looking at it. So maybe if I turn off the outdoor lights here 1 second, we'll see. Alright, so there it is. It's kind of hard to see, but I guess if I step up in here, you can see Like, it illuminates my foot and everything, so it's just enough to illuminate like where you're gonna put your feet and stuff. So that's pretty cool. Anyways, that's it, my friends. I think I'd be able to see the mat a little better than I can. So let me go turn the light back on. Okay, friends, so that about wraps it up for this one. I'll leave a link in the description below. You guys can check out these. These are Firefly LED light kit for a 2007 through 2019 Toyota Tundra. They have all these, and got all these installed. You can watch my videos on that, as well as the other ones. Give me some extras. I didn't have any lights in my doors, but that's cool. So I have these extra ones. I have custom bumpers on my Tundra, so I don't need the license plate lights either. But I got the other one switched out, and it's a lot brighter inside. Really happy with it, and it should be quite a bit better than the other one. So thanks for watching this video, my friends, and we'll see you next time.